My English Book 4, Standard 4, Subject English, Unit 5, The Golden Fish. Mallar was a fisherman. He lived with his wife in a little hut near the sea. He went down to the sea every day to catch fish. One day, a strange thing happened. He caught a big golden fish in his net. When Mallar took the fish out of water, the fish began to speak. "Oh, fisherman, please let me go." Mallar was very surprised. He was a kind man. He let the fish go. Mallar went home empty-handed. He told his wife about the fish. His wife was not very kind. "Foolish man, why did you let the fish go? Go back to the sea and call the fish. It must be a magic fish. Ask the fish to grant you a wish." So Mallar went back to the sea and called the fish. "Oh fish, please grant me a wish." The fish popped up its head out of the blue sea and said, "What is your wish?" "I want a big house with a garden for my wife." "Go back home. Your wish is granted." Mallar went back home. In place of his little hut, he saw a big house with a garden. "What a beautiful house," he said. Some days passed. Mallar's wife said to him, "This house is not enough. I want to live in a castle. I want to be a queen." So Mallar went back to the sea and called the fish. "Oh fish, please grant me a wish." There were big waves in the sea. The fish came and asked, "What is your wish?" "My wife wants to be a queen." "Go back home. Your wish is granted." Mallar went back home. In the place of the big house, he saw a castle. The castle had many buildings and towers. There were many gardens around the castle. "What a beautiful castle," said Mallar. In the castle, his wife sat on a throne of gold and diamonds. She wore a crown. "Are you happy now?" asked Mallar. "We shall see," said his wife. Some days passed. Mallar's wife called him. "This is not enough for me. Now I want to be a goddess." "What are you asking for, wife?" "It is not right," said Mallar. But his wife became angry. "Go to the fish at once," she ordered. Mallar went back to the sea and called the fish. "Oh fish, please grant me one more wish." When fish came, there was a storm in the sea. The fish looked very cross. "What is it now?" "My wife wants to be a goddess," said Mallar in a small voice. "Go back home," the fish said. His voice was like thunder. "And don't come again." Mallar went back home. In place of the big castle, he saw his little hut. His wife had to live in the little hut once again.